Why India is buying 114 fighter jets. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's making waves in global defense circles. Why is India planning to buy 114 fighter jets? Stick around for the full details because this decision could reshape India's air power and global strategy. India's decision to procure 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, MRFA, is part of its ambitious efforts to modernize its aging Air Force fleet. Currently, the Indian Air Force, IAF, relies heavily on older aircraft like the MiG-21, which has served the nation for decades but is now outdated. With rising geopolitical tensions and the need to maintain air superiority, this procurement has become a critical priority. The tender, also known as the MRFA project, is estimated to cost over $20 billion. It seeks advanced, next-generation fighter jets capable of performing a variety of roles, such as air-to-air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. The contenders include some of the biggest names in aerospace, such as Dassault Rafale, France; Lockheed Martin F-21, USA; Boeing F-15EX and F-18 Super Hornet, USA; Saab Gripen E, Sweden; Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe; Sukhoi Su-35 and MiG-35, Russia. India's decision is not just about buying jets but also about boosting its domestic defense industry. The government has mandated that a significant portion of the jet should be manufactured in India under the Make in India initiative. This move is expected to generate jobs, transfer critical technologies, and strengthen India's defense ecosystem. But why now? The primary reason is the changing geopolitical landscape in the Indo-Pacific region. With increasing tensions along India's borders with China and Pakistan, the IAF requires cutting-edge capabilities to address threats on two fronts. Additionally, India aims to counterbalance China's growing military presence in the region, where it has heavily invested in its air force and naval aviation. This acquisition is also about future-proofing India's defense. The jets will be equipped with advanced avionics, stealth features, and modern weapons systems, ensuring they remain effective for decades. The final decision is expected to consider factors like cost, technology transfer, maintenance infrastructure, and long-term reliability. With India's growing emphasis on indigenous manufacturing, the MRFA program is set to be a game-changer for the country's defense sector. A fighter jet, also known as a combat aircraft, is a high-speed, highly maneuverable aircraft designed for air-to-air combat, ground attacks, reconnaissance, and strategic missions. These jets are the backbone of any air force, playing a vital role in maintaining air superiority and ensuring national security. Key features of fighter jets. 1. Speed and agility. Fighter jets are built for speed, with some capable of reaching Mach 2 or more, which is twice the speed of sound. Their sleek designs and powerful engines allow them to perform rapid maneuvers during dogfights or to evade enemy missiles. 2. Stealth technology. Modern fighter jets like the F-35 or J-20 come equipped with stealth capabilities, enabling them to avoid radar detection. This gives them a significant edge in surprise attacks and covert missions. 3. Advanced avionics. Fighter jets are packed with sophisticated avionics, including radar systems, electronic warfare tools, and communication systems. These technologies provide pilots with real-time situational awareness, targeting precision, and mission planning. 4. Weapon systems. Fighter jets carry a wide range of weapons, from air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs to guns and laser-guided munitions. This versatility makes them effective in various combat scenarios. 5. Multi-role capability. Many modern fighter jets, like the Rafale or F-16, are multi-role aircraft, meaning they can perform various missions, such as interception, ground attack, and reconnaissance, all in a single flight. Types of fighter jets. Air superiority fighters, designed to dominate the skies, such as the Sukhoi Su-30 and F-22 Raptor. Multi-role fighters. Versatile jets like the Dassault Rafale and F-35 Lightning II. Interceptor fighters. Built for speed to intercept incoming threats, like the MiG-31. Stealth fighters, equipped with cutting-edge stealth technology, like the F-35 and J-20. Why are fighter jets important? Fighter jets are essential for maintaining a nation's sovereignty and protecting its airspace. They play a crucial role in defending against enemy attacks, supporting ground troops during battles, conducting surveillance and reconnaissance missions, projecting power beyond national borders. The future of fighter jets. The next generation of fighter jets will focus on unmanned capabilities, artificial intelligence, and hypersonic speeds. With advancements in stealth, sensors, and weaponry, these jets will continue to redefine air combat and national defense. So, what do you think about India's decision to invest in 114 fighter jets? Will this move give the Indian Air Force the edge it needs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such in-depth analyses. See you in the next video.